Hi, I'm Larry Clark, and what we're going to be talking about today are genes that cause cancer. These genes we've identified through the no-cost genetic testing available through CareFree or CareFree Now. Help me to save lives. Here's how the story began, and this is why I'm interested in being able to do this. My son called me and told me that he had cancer. He was a healthy young man of 32 and passed away before he turned 35. He fought a good battle but didn't know about the cancer until it was too late. You shouldn't have to bury your children. Later, my wife and I both battled cancer and won the battle because we learned about it in the early stages. That was 7 years ago. Well, there's a myth around the BRCA1 gene. People say that it causes cancer, and that's what I'm here to dismiss, this myth. So I'm going to take a look at genes that, according to cancer.gov, are related to cancer. And a lot of people, when they see this screen, they think the gene, the cancer, the gene causes the cancer. But that's not necessarily a true statement. So we're going to take the 3 top genes that are the most prevalent with cancer. That's the BRCA1, the BRCA2, and the TP53 genes. They're credited with the responsibility of causing the 10 most common cancers, but they're getting a bad rep. To delve into this further, we look at the results of the free-to-you genetic cancer screening tests that are done by CareFree Now. BRCA1 is a human tumor suppressor gene that repairs DNA irregularities. If the DNA of the BRCA1 gene is damaged and it's unable to be repaired properly by the protein itself, you become susceptible to contracting a cancer. Note that this gene did not actually cause the cancer. Remember, it is a tumor suppressor gene. That means that its main function is to suppress the growth of cancer. When it's mutated, it can't function as it should to suppress the cancer. The BRCA2 is found in all humans and is a gene that repairs damaged DNA also. If the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes are damaged, you have an increased susceptibility of the risk of breast cancer because they can't do their original job efficiently. So let's look at the TP53. Now you should be watching for the term suppressor genes, BRCA1, BRCA2. The TP53 is a similar suppressor gene and is called the guardian of the genome because it prevents genome mutations. DNA may be damaged, as in the figure of the double-strand break in the picture to the right. Various proteins do their job and repair the damage. The expectation is the double strand on the right, which shows a totally repaired DNA strand. Each cell has a life cycle. It has a predetermined time of programmed cell death. Mutations in genes can increase the speed or reduce that process. The cancer is the unchecked cell growth. Remember, we talked about the suppressor genes, BRCA1 and BRCA2, and the guardian of the genome, the TP53. Damage to those genes can result in the accelerated growth of the cancer cell. When the cell division is unchecked, a tumor is created. You see this circular starting in the center of the top, that circular life of the cancer cell, how it breaks up, it divides and becomes 2 cells. As a cancer cell, that cycle is accelerated so that it develops a tumor. CareFree Now is providing a no-cost genetic cancer screening. We're on a mission to save lives by detecting genetic cancer markers. We just ask that you sign up to see if you qualify. CareFree Now is helping save lives with this no-cost-to-you genetic cancer screening. When you qualify, so you can take action if you have genetic markers that indicate an elevated risk. Don't be left in the dark. With our CareFree Now service, the future of healthcare is here. We work with preventive care, medical care, pain management, genetic testing for cancer, legal advice for medical issues. We put all of this in one space. So we want you to go to the link in the description. Sign up for your free CareFree Now account. When you get to that website, you will see this, the CareFree sign up page. We ask for your email address, first and last name, password, and confirm a password. You'll take a short survey, and after the survey, we provide that information to a medical team. No one that is not with the medical team sees any of this information. All we know is that you filled out the form. Then the information is sent to the medical team, and a doctor will call you back to discuss the opportunity to get things set for you through the CareFree Now. So we just ask that you go to the description, sign up for your free CareFree Now account.